How to update Intel drivers on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can update your Intel drivers on Windows 11. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually update your Intel drivers, which Intel is basically the processor, and depending upon whether you use HP laptop or Dell laptop, the processor could be typically the same. Now there are many ways to actually update it. The first thing you can try is simply updating your Windows. Open up settings, go to Windows Update, check if your Windows has the latest update available. If it has even a tiny bit of update, I want you to update it to the latest version. If this doesn't help, what you can instead do is simply launch Device Manager. Once you launch Device Manager, just look for display adapters, which you'll find here, expand it, and then you'll find Intel UHD graphics, which is the Intel processor. Right click on it, click on the option called Update Driver. Once you click on Update Driver, just click on Search automatically for drivers, and then you should be able to install this driver to the latest version. If none of these are actually working for you, now in my case I already have a GeForce Experience by default because I also have NVIDIA graphics, right? If you also have GeForce Experience, you can open this application instead. You can go to the drivers tab, which will be right at the top left hand side of the screen. Then check for the updates for GeForce driver, which will also help you automatically update the Intel drivers. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.